Hello guys, in this video, we are going to see how to split data into different columns like this in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. See, here I have some sample data set in the column A. In this set, data such as full name, phone number, and email address are located in a same cell. Let us assume you need to split all this data into different cells to make it as a meaningful data set. To do that, select all data from cell A1 to A5. Go to Data tab in the ribbon at the top. In the Data Tools group, click on Text to Columns. In this Convert Text to Columns wizard, choose Delimited and click Next. Choose the delimiters that separate your data. In this case, I'm selecting comma as the delimiter. Unselect tab. Here you can preview your data. Alright, everything is fine. Click Next. If required, you can modify this options. Click Finish. Look, our data has been splited into 3 columns. Let's adjust its column width and do some text formatings to make it readable. That's it. You have successfully made it. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos. Thanks for watching.